Hey everyone, I'm Nicole, an occupational therapist, and together with Stephanie, a physical therapist, we're the Note Ninjas at OT and PT Duo, teaching other therapists skilled treatment ideas and documentation tips. We are also the co-founders of the Note Ninjas. So today I'm going to go over a medication management strategies that you can use with your patients who have a cognitive decline. So let's watch the video. So if you are working with a patient who has a cognitive decline, maybe a mild cognitive impairment, and you need to get them to be more adherent with their medications, maybe they're not taking them, maybe they're mixing them up, which can be very dangerous. As occupational therapists, we need to be addressing this, and we need to be working on the medication management in order for them to take all their medications, be compliant and safe while doing it. So we have a little card question activity that is great. It works on so many skills, and it's really going to help our clients understand why they need to take their medications, when, all the things. So you can write these out or print them, especially if a patient has low vision and you need to enlarge the print. We recommend you doing that. So you can print out a bunch of questions, which we listed below. And what you could do is just ask them these questions. So any refills needed this week. So they can, and they can have their medications, especially if you're with a home health patient or a patient at an assisted living facility, and you're in their rooms, you can ask them, hey, any refills needed this week? Let's go check your medications. And then let's ask the next question. What happens if I miss a dose? So see if they can answer that question. So you can have all these types of questions. What times do you take each dose? And then we can work on interventions to help with the carryover. And then what I like to do too is take it to another level. So knows and then needs review. So you can sort these cards. Any refills needed this week? Maybe they need review. Maybe they don't tell you when they need refills, and that's a constant problem. And then what times do you take each dose? Maybe they don't know those times, and we need to review those as well. And then we can think of interventions to help them carry over that skill. So what we could do is maybe we're going to suggest using a pill box to sort our pills, and we could do that each week. We can also use the medication checklist, which we linked below, that you can download. We recommend printing these off, multiple of them, making copies, and giving them to our patients until they master their medication. If you're wondering how to document that activity, how to grade the activity with multiple versions of modifications, we have a whole medication management section in our membership under instrumental activities of daily living. We have all this and more. We have tons of interventions for medication management and so many other topics. So make sure you check it out. We'll link it in the comments below.